So what are you doing next Wednesday? Well, let me tell you something that's happening at MTDCNC. We're going to be streaming live from here, Iscar Cutting Tools. They're hosting a 2-day event all about machining techniques and machining strategies. Now there's so much happening over the 2 days, we're going to actually list it on the screen for you, but just to whet your appetite, and things that excite me is ceramic turning, high feed surfacing, intermittent parting, high speed machining. It's all about materials, the different types of materials and how to machine them the most efficiently and effectively. Now unfortunately registration is closed. This event is very popular, so the only way as it stands you'll be able to see it is by watching it live on MTD CNC.